Line up for the first race. Start of the Daily Double and the Pick 5. Here they come. Up and trotting Fiji from the far outside, trying to blast off. SJ's Better Days flashing speed and going for the lead. Tropical Storm B from the inside with Danish Durango on the rail, leaving sharply and cutting the corner. Around the first turn, the scramble's on for the early lead as Dizzy Rizzy settles in the fifth position heading to the opening quarter. Then comes Soul Train and Landon Fitz and Stem Milk Touch, the early trailer. Marching past the opening quarter, SJ's Better Day is the best there with Bob Heckhoff. Here comes Fiji and David Offenberg to challenge for the lead off a quarter of 28-1. Those two are going to hook up here in an early battle. Tropical Storm B moves up third on the inside. The whip up on Danish Durango fourth. They race across the backstretch. Dizzy Rizzy fifth. Now is Danish Durango up and at him out of fourth and gaining quickly. Dizzy Rizzy tightens in, now goes to the outside, followed by Soul Train. Then Landon Fitz on the inside and Stem Milk Touch. They start to pair up at the half. SJ's Better Days, joined by Danish Durango on the outside, though. Those two are stride for stride off a half of 56-2, 28-1 again. Inching up at that live cover, Tropical Storm B, now third on the outside and threatening. Fiji, gaps on the inside, fourth. Stride for stride with Dizzy Rizzy, just 2.5, 3 from the lead here. Third over right now is get stacked up, and Landon Fitz is pinned in. Fourth over is Soul Train, looking to fan to the outside as they pass three quarters. Stem Milk Touch is the trailer. It's Danish Durango steamrolling to the top here. SJ's Better Days back in second as Tropical Storm B looms large on the outside, and they turn for home and fan out. 125-4 for three quarters. And it's Danish Durango. But here comes Soul Train and Joseph Lee timing the rally in deep stretch, and Soul Train right by Danish Durango. And Tropical Storm B is all out third, looking for second. But it's Soul Train at 11-1 to pull the upset here. Soul Train and Joseph Lee hits the home run in the opener. Then Tropical Storm B, Danish Durango, and Landon Fitz in 154-3. Judges have posted for Soul Train as the unofficial winner of the first race. Judges' inquiry here. Possible interference around the first turn by the 2 Tropical Storm B against the 1 Danish Durango. Possible interference by the 2 against the 1 around the first turn. Continue to hold on to all tickets. 154-3. Now on your TV monitors and on the infield matrix board, a look at the judge's inquiry around the first turn. Possible interference by the 2 against the 1. Inquiry continues here to the winner's circle 4, Soul Train, a 6-year-old bay gelding by Train for the Future, out of Dances on Air by Muscles Yankee. Bred in Ohio by GBW Breeding Farms Incorporated. Owned by the Blind Switch Racing Stable of Cortland Manor, New York. Good Friends Racing Stable, Chestnut Ridge, New York, and S. Farina of Yonkers, New York. Trainer Al Annunziata. A longtime assistant clubhouse manager for the New York Yankees, Joseph Lee at the lines, timing the rally just right here with Soul Train for the 11-1 upset. Third win of the season, 25th career victory for Soul Train, 154-3, and that's a new lifetime mark for Soul Train. Number 2, Tropical Storm B was second, subject of the inquiry. 1, Danish Durango third, 6, Landon Fitz fourth. No reason for any action to be taken by the judges here. No violation. Result will stand. 4-2-1-6.